Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody had a lovely Christmas, and I thought I'd share with you this really gorgeous green smoke eye which won on my Instagram poll. If you haven't already followed my social media, I'll link all my details below, so definitely give it a follow so at least then you can be in the loop with what polls I run for the next videos. So yeah, if you would like to learn how I created this gorgeous green smoky eye, then please keep watching. So taking the Toofaced Gingerbread palette, as you can see, such a stunning palette. Mum got me this for Christmas and oh, I just love it, especially this hot toddy. Hot toddy, I don't actually know what that means or how's it related to Christmas. But this was probably one of my favourite shades, I love it. So yeah, to start off with the transition shade, we're going to go into Gingerbread Latte, which is this really nice sort of taupey brown. We're going to put this in our inner corner. We're going to put this in our outer corner. Taking my fluffy brush from Smashbox, I'm just going to be placing it on my outer corners and blending into my crease with soft patting and circular motions. Okay, with that same blending brush, I'm going to be taking the colour Reindeer Paws. I'm just going to deepen up that crease. So I hope everyone had a nice Christmas. It was sad to think that Christmas is now over after all that hype. But no, I had a really nice Christmas with my family, which was lovely. It's nice to spend Christmas time together and see all my sisters, my nieces and nephews, and it was really nice. I hosted Boxing Day, which was a first, so we played some really good games. Got a bit competitive though, which I'm sure my little sister would agree with that. But I mean, you got over games, haven't you? But no, it was really, really nice to have everybody over. So I'm going to be taking my Spectrum 807 and still jumping into that Reindeer Paws. Just going to press and then press on the outer corner there, just so I can be a bit more precise with where I want it. I want it quite close to my lash line. Again, just blending that up and softly into the outer colours so it blends in together. Okay, so jumping into the Toofaced Chocolate Gold palette, I'm going to be taking this black colour at the top here. Oh, I just love smelling these palettes. If you haven't ever got a Toofaced palette, you just need to go in and sniff them. If you don't want to buy them, just go in and sniff them. Oh, they actually smell like chocolate. So still taking that 807 brush, you just want to again just pack on the lash line and the outer corner and softly bringing that up to the crease and then blending that all in. Okay, so now I just want to cut the crease. I'm going to be using the Spectrum A16, which is sort of a small, sort of flat brush. Taking a concealer, I normally use the MAC Pro Longwear. And you just want to focus it more on the inner corners. Like so. So taking my MAC 247, I'm going to go back into that chocolate gold palette and I'm just going to be taking the colour Moneybags, which is this really gorgeous emerald green. So you just want to pack it on your brush and just place it all over the lid and the bits that you've literally just cut. So going back into that black one with the colour A07, again just want to press in the outer corners. And again, blending that up. So then going back into the gold palette, we're going to be taking this one here, which is the chocolate gold. It's nice yellowy gold. So you just want to feather it into the inner corner, blending it through with the green. So just take it back on that same flat brush. You just want to be pressing it just lightly in and spreading it just gently around. There we go. Going back into the Gingerbread palette, I'm going to be taking the colour Spiced Eggnog, which is this really nice champagne gold just here. And I'm taking that on an Spectrum A16, and this is going to be highlighting my brow bone. So I literally just want to put underneath there. So I'm going to be taking the Peaches and Cream pigment in the colour Gatsby, and we're going to put this in the inner corner of our eye and also underneath the brow. Be running into the lower lash line with Gingerbread Latte and also the black, and you just want to be smudging that right underneath. Then taking my MAC 247 brush, going into that Money Bags, which is that really nice emerald green, just adding it in the inner corners and feathering that in. So I'm going to be doing my wing liner, taking my Illmasqua Precision Gel liner using my Morphe angled brush. I'm just going to be creating a wing. Then taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational, we're just going to be coating my lashes. For lashes today I'm going to be using the Peaches and Cream #1, probably one of my new favourites, love their lashes. And then going to be placing this onto the lid, as close to the lash line. And just let that set. Yeah, so I'll have to tell you a funny story about Christmas. So last year I really ruined Christmas. I set their house on fire. Yeah, not fun. I was a fat cow and I wanted an extra bit of bacon. So me being me, you know, I think I put 5 bits on instead of 6, which meant that Corey had more than me. Wasn't good when it comes to food because I love my bacon. So I just thought, oh yeah, I'll whack it in the oven on the foil that I cooked it on, so I already have fat on there. Put it back in the oven. Didn't think obviously that I would set up, and within literally 5 minutes we heard like a tss, and we thought, what was that? Turned round and Corey went, oh my god, it's on fire, and he opened the door, whole thing came up in flames, and there's me like, oh my god. 1, I was worried about my bacon. 2, I was thinking, oh my god, it's Christmas Day, I've ruined it. And 3, I was just baffed that all this happened because I wanted an extra bit of bacon. Yeah, Coy being brave, he was able to quickly grab the tray out and literally just threw it outside. Whole oven was black. Yeah, we didn't have bacon sandwiches this year. Guess that's probably a good thing. But no, don't try that at home. Don't recook bacon on already cooked foil that already has fat on it, because you will probably set the house on fire like me. I'm glad that we spotted it early, because yeah, I may not have a house. I may not have a house left. Or because I'm a fat cow and wanted bacon. So lashes are on. I'm just going to add a tiny bit more green. I just feel like I need to intensify it just a little bit. So going back in with Mudbergs. Just placing that on there. Like so. Yeah. So I'm going to do my lips before I do my outro. We're going to use... So I'm just going to do my lips. Just going to put on my fave Creme de Nude. Just in the centre. Press in. And I'm going to use this gloss by NYX. It's a Duochrome called Cocktail Party. It's a really nice one. So I'm just going to pop this in the centre of my lid. Like so. Cool. And then I'm going to curl my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so curls all set, looking all glam. Yeah, I really liked how this look turned out, and yeah, I think I might rock a sort of smoky green eye in future. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and until next time I shall see you guys soon. Guess it'll be in 2019. Bye guys!